Welcome to the Celestina tutorial. In this video I will explain how to submit your appointment preferences. This process starts when you receive an email from Celestina system requesting that you log in to submit your appointment requests. The choices you submit will be combined with requests to meet with you and your business profiles to create a dedicated meeting agenda. Use the link and confirmation number provided in this email to start completing your requests. Open the provided link and copy and paste the confirmation number in requested field. Once you log in, you will see your name and your company name. Below these details, you will find a list of companies available to you and the filters available to help you refine your search based on business types and to discover new, unknown potential partners. If you are a buyer, filter 1, search for suppliers by type and location. Filter 2, search for suppliers that are looking for clients that match your profile, based on your source markets, business and product categories. For buyer delegates, we suggest focusing more on filter 1 section. If you are a supplier, filter 1, search for buyers in your target source markets and/or business product categories you are looking for. Filter 2, search for buyers that are looking for your type and location of product. For supplier delegates, we suggest focusing more on filter 2 section. Suggestions how to use filters. Use one filter at a time. Use the clear filter option before you start a new search. Use the drop-down fields in filter 1 and 2 section, either independently. To select multiple options in the same filter, press Ctrl or Ctrl plus Shift. Search for company field area. Type a company name to see if they are attending. Filtered results available for selection field area. This section will show you available companies after using filters. View field area. After clicking on this option, from field filtered results available for selection, you will be able to review more information about selected company. Add field area. This option will make your selected preferences and move it to your selection list. After creating your preference list, always press Submit if you want that your choices are confirmed. Few points on how to make the most of this service. You will see how many choices you can make. Remember to assure your top 3 companies as your number 1, number 2 and number 3 choices. These choices are given priority in the matching process. To optimize the meetings assigned to you, rank all your selections in order of preference. Do not leave or submit your choices in alphabetical order. You can make changes to your selection and amend the order as many times as you wish before the deadline. The last list you submit before the deadline will be registered as your final choice. After preference submission, you should shortly receive acknowledgement email with all your preferences stated. Now you can start to make your preferences and do not forget to press Submit.